So today we are going with how to set up a VS Code and write a simple hello word in HTML so that you will get the difference. So how we can set up the VS Code? Maybe there's multiple text editors. So example, VS Code is there. Another one Atom is there. Another one Sublime is there. Submil. Sublime is there. Notepad is there. Majorly the famous one, if you know or doesn't know, VS Code is famous one and it's popular also. It has lot of extensions. You can use VS Code. Majorly my perspective, I love VS Code, and you can go with a Notepad also. Notepad is an old and popular one, but my recommendation you go with VS Code. It's easy to set up. Just you want to download the Windows users, you can directly download Windows. Mac users, you can go with Mac. So I actually have a Mac, and I will also already my system is set up. So just you want to click on that download and set up the file. That's all. After setting up the file, you will get like this. Let me close the folders so I doesn't want you to don't say. So this is the folder which will look. So this is the thing which will appear. Don't worry about the recent files because I used to work some of the projects and something like that. So these are the recent files, and here we'll get you can see here show welcome page on startup. So whenever VS Code open, it will show like that. So let me be on. So VS Code setup is done. It's simple and easy. Now we want to set up the extensions which is going to helpful in writing the code. One is ES7. It's a React, but actually it helps a lot in HTML part, writing the code in short format. And another one is live server. Whichever the code you are writing in the VS Code, it will appear in the browser instantly, and you can see the changes and differences. I recommend it a lot. And Prettier. Prettier is a code formatter, so it's help you to format the code in a proper way, means structuring the codes. So it's awesome actually. And oh, why is this one? I should install that one. PHP dot. Okay, these are three major thing you want to install. So first one is ES7. So please. Second one is live server, and third one is prettier. And if you want to design the VS Code to visibility and the perspective of the thing, means you can go with One Dark Pro. There are multiple things are there, themes you can select. You can search in Google or YouTube. You will get how to change the dark color or background. There's multiple things are there, and majorly I recommend, highly recommended, go with the material icon theme, so that in every folder will assign the icons with the logos of that own companies. Example, HTML will show the HTML logo, React will show the React logos, Angular. So that is the thing. It's gonna help you in the structure in the folder. Okay, let me go and create the folder, file, open folder, or add a folder to workspace. Add a folder, choose wherever you want to have, because I already created a folder. I will open this folder itself only. Folder is added. So but you can see here workspace add a folder, but it's not in a proper way. So file. Okay, let me remove the folder from workspace. File, open a folder. Okay, don't save anything. Folder is open. You can see HTML symbol is came. So let me clear the thing. So I will teach you some of the things. This HTML 3 version, below 3 version this is. So we won't use this. This is basic HTML. It's not a thing. It will take too much of line. So just write HTML and choose HTML5. This is all coming because of the snippets which were added in ES7. You can see now. Doc type. Everyone asks what is doc type actually. So doc type is a version controller so that browser recognize which version of HTML we are using mainly. And the HTML language. Okay, basically what is HTML? Hypertext markup line mainly. Hypertext markup line. So we design the raw files. Means in basic term, what I call is markup raw lines. There's no CSS, nothing will be there. Whatever the code we are writing, it just appear in the browser. That's all. There's no CSS style. Visually, the user experience is not there. So for user experience, we go with CSS. We'll come on that later on. So language is English because I want to set the browser language default English. Otherwise, every time it was translate to Kannada, translate to Hindi, or something like that. So it doesn't want that. And the U2FA, it's a character recognition. And this is a main. IE edge means internal exposure edge. So contents means is completely for a browser compatibility, which are the browser is going to be compatibility. Again, you can restrict the browser also. I doesn't want to show this website in Chrome. I doesn't want to show this browser in website in Explorer or Safari. You can choose the thing there. Some sort of codes you can restrict that, and this is a version viewport mainly for with devices. Maybe desktop to iPad to mobile, or maybe a mobile to desktop. It's scalability width, and this is a title. Title means let me run the code. Title means is a document type. It's above the bar is there, no tab bar. So there will change example. I will give title Guru Prasad. Okay, and see the name. It's changed generally and close of it. So all the CSS style, maybe external link, everything will be came under the head. So don't admins don't think of a head bar or nav bar. It's a completely different. So in body, so in body you will write all the programming like header, footer, or maybe that's a card. Everything will be done in body only, or all the codes will be done in body. Let me write h1. I'm using h1 tag. So h1 tag is nothing but the title. Hello world. Okay, I can see the hello word is coming. So that's it for today. So on next session, you'll come to know the few more things.